Hi everyone, welcome to the next decluttering video. I hope these are helping keep you sane and company while you may be holed up at home, away from other people, away from being able to socialize. So if you want to put this in the background or watch all the swatches, I just hope that this is entertaining for you. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel by hitting that red subscribe button, follow Allura Beauty on Instagram, and of course, check out the other decluttering videos. I'll link in the upper right hand corner for you the whole playlist as I add more and more declutter videos to that list. I don't know where in the series of decluttering videos this is going to fall. I know already 2 other decluttering videos up. That's for my lipsticks and for my lip crayons. I don't want you to get too tired of lip products, so I may have published before this video something in a different category, like highlights or I don't know, some other face product. Or if I haven't, then I promise that the next decluttering video will be in a different category, not lip products, so that you don't get worn out too much on just seeing lip product after lip product declutter video. So those are my announcements. As always, the caveats for these declutter videos is 1, these are products from my personal collection. They don't include things that I may show you in videos, but that I put in different sections and piles for things like giveaways or gifts. 2, just because I do or don't declutter something doesn't mean that that's the right way to do it or that you should follow those parameters, because I personally have a pretty high tolerance for keeping things around even though they're past the expiration date or when you should throw them out. And 3, when I say that I'm going to get rid of something, it doesn't mean I'm throwing it in the trash. In fact, for me, that's the very last resort because I don't want to contribute to that kind of waste. So I will either try to give them to friends and family or donate them to a shelter that accepts new or lightly used products, makeup products. 3, use TerraCycle to recycle them, or 4, just regularly recycle them in a recycling bin. The last resort is to just chuck them in the trash. All right, so in this video, we're gonna concentrate, I put 2 categories together. One is my lip markers, lip stain in marker form, because I don't have that many of them, which I'm kind of surprised by because I love this form of lip product using like a marker stain. And the second category is lip pencils, which I also don't use very often, but I do really like to just use a lip pencil all over lips and put a clear chapstick or clear balm on top. I think that's a really nice way to create a lip look. And after this lip video, I think I only have 2 more lip categories. They are liquid lipsticks, which I have a ton of. I don't know why I have so many, and lip glosses. So those are upcoming if those interest you too. All right, we're gonna start first with the lip pencils. First step is to count how many I am starting with. All right, so I am starting out with a total of 53 lip pencils. Now I'm going to put them, I think, into rough color categories, and I'll swatch them as I go for ones that I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep or not, so that I can try to whittle them down with taking out repetitive colors. Before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and look at this product. This is a Lancome Lip Kajal Duo Chroma in the shade Bold Red. That's what the box packaging looks like. And I don't know if I've even used this or not. I have not, so this is brand new, so I'm going to include this in a giveaway or give it to a friend. Okay, so here are my rough color categories. This random one is a clear glaze wear lip liner from Avon, so it has no color, and I'm gonna keep this. I am going to try to remember to use this, and I'm going to use this on the outer boundary of the lips to help whatever color lip liner I'm gonna use from bleeding outside of the borders. And then obviously these are rough color categories. I'm gonna start with nudes, but I'm sure there'll be some overlap because once you get to things like pinky nudes, it's hard to say whether something is nude or more pinky. Okay, so I've organized them roughly, I think, lightest to darkest. So this first one is by MAC. This is the lip pencil in Naked Liner. Is that what it's called? Yeah, I think the shade is Naked Liner. I do still have some staining from previous swatches, so hopefully we'll be able to see over those. Now these are not the creamiest in formula, but this is a really nice shade to blink out the lips. Another MAC one in Boldly Bare. And the nice thing about lip liners is they don't really go bad because you can always sharpen them. LA Girl Ultimate Lip Intense Stay Auto Liner in the shade Non-Stop Nude. See, these are much creamier. They glide on the skin a lot more nicely. Profusion Matte Lip Liner in Secret Nude. That one definitely should have gone in the pink category. In fact, I'm going to remove this swatch and put this with the pinks. And the next 5 are from Jordana in their Easy Line for Lips line. This is a really beautiful and very affordable formula. So I'll just tell you the shade names as we go. First, we're gonna swatch Latte. Then Sugar Bronze. It's a little more dry. Tawny. Rock and Rose. These are also twist up, so it's nice you don't have to sharpen them. Oh, I have another of the tawny shades. Let me check. That's weird. They have 2 different colored caps, but they're both in the shade Tawny. Okay, I closed the curtain, so hopefully the lighting didn't change too much. Next is L'Oreal's Age Perfect Anti-Feather Lip Liner in the shade Nude Pink. This is a recent addition to my collection, so I love this formula. I am not gonna get rid of this shade, I know that already. LA Girl Ultimate Lip in the shade Keep It Spicy. These glide on really nicely. Coastal Scents Lip Pencil in the shade Natural. MAC lip liner in Spice. See, the MAC ones are just not as creamy. I know they're very popular and have been around for a long time, but they tug on the skin. Something from American Beauty, Ultra Easy Automatic Lip Liner in Butterscotch. Don't even know if this brand is around anymore. Sourmet Treatment Cosmetics Smear Proof Lip Liner in Natural Nude. And then 3 more of the Jordana lip liners, starting with the shade Honey Dip. So smooth. Coco Loco. And Terra Kiss. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of a good number of these. I don't wear these blinked out shades, but I'm gonna keep that just because it's the only one that I have in this blinked out shade, and I can use it if I need to for a certain type of makeup look. But I'm gonna get rid of the second MAC lip liner, which is Boldly Bare. Even though I love the formula, I'm gonna get rid of these 2 Jordana lip liners. Those were the shades Latte and Sugar Bronze, just because I don't really wear these kinds of deeper nudes. And then I'm gonna get rid of shades 9 through 13, again, because I either can find something similar in the ones I'm keeping or because I just don't use these deeper nudie shades. And last, I'm gonna get rid of this brown deep shade, Jordana's Coco Loco. Again, I just don't wear that type of deep brown shade. Oh, and just for the record, my 2 Jordana Tawny lip liners, they don't swatch the same. They look similar, but one of them is deeper than the other. That's really strange. In any case, I'm gonna keep both of them. All right, let's look at the nudes next. First is a NYX lip pencil in the shade Guru. It's a very old product. You see that? It's a really pale shimmering pink. Another NYX lip liner pencil in the shade Beige. Oh wow, that's a lot darker than that would be. This also should have gone in the nudes pile. MAC in Sync. Colourpop Lippy pencil in Westy. Oh wow, this is not sure how this happened. I'm gonna have to sharpen this. Okay, so the pencil is so far down here, so I swatched it, but just practically speaking, I'm not gonna keep that color. NYX in Rose. Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in the shade Pretty Pink. ColourPop in the shade Monkey. Revlon Colorstay Sheer Lip Liner in the shade Sheer Blush. Color Science Pro in pink. Profusion Matte Lip Liner in Secret Nude. Another NYX in Nude Pink. Rimmel Exaggerate Full Color Lip Liner Definer in East End Snob. This was very popular a few years ago. Thousand Kisses. Oh, this is another Rimmel lip liner in Wild Clover. Sorbet Treatment Cosmetics Smear Proof Lip Liner in the shade Pure Rose. Ooh, this one feels really stiff on the skin. Jordana Lip Liner in Baby Berry. NYX in Natural. Should have gone in the nude pile too. Gorgeous Cosmetics in Barely There. Oh, so beautiful. And from Babor Cosmetics, Maxi Definition Lip Liner in the shade Nude Berry. All right, I'm gonna get rid of both these first two shades. The fourth shade that had the pencil inside completely chopped off and gone. This shade from Milani. These next two shades, the sheer one from Revlon and the one from Color Science. And then all the way over here, this NYX shade in Natural. I have a few in kind of like a peachy category. So NYX's Tangerine first. This is a shimmering peachy color. Marc Jacobs in, what is the shade? Honey Bun. And an e.l.f. Mineral Lip Liner in the shade Peach. I'm actually going to keep all three of these. They are unique enough that I want to keep them. I'm going to move on to reds here. Jordana Lip Liner in Sedona Red. LA Girl Ultimate Lip Relentless Red. MAC Kiss Me Quick. Ooh, that one is pretty dried out. So I sharpened a good amount of that down, but it's still dried out. Next, Ofra Lip Liner in Maya. And an Aveda Lip Liner in Barberry Bloom. This is more of like an orange red. Ooh, beautiful. All right, the only one actually I'm gonna get rid of is the one from MAC in Kiss Me Quick. The last category we have here are the purple toned ones. Jordana in Silver Lilac. This one kind of borders on nude. Maybe I should have put it in there, but Coastal Scents in Mauve. Oh yeah. Should have been with the nudes, but beautiful color still. Next one is a Sigma in Fine Feather Nightlife lip pencil. Stila Glaze Lip Liner in Fuchsia. Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in Bordeaux. Jordana Easy Liner in Plush Plum. Wet n Wild Color Icon in Berry Red. Oh, that one comes out a lot more red than the packaging suggests. And Jordana in Cabernet. Okay, this was really difficult, but I don't think I'm going to get rid of any of those. Okay, so here's what I'm getting rid of, plus one, which I already threw in the trash, which was that MAC one that was completely dried out because I can't back to MAC it and I can't give it away. And it's not recyclable because it's made of wood. So that's one, and then I'm gonna count the rest of the giving or getting rid of ones. So there are 17 here, plus the one in the trash is 18. So 53 minus 18 should leave 35. So this is what's left in my collection, 35. Not fantastic, but not too shabby either. All right, and then the lip markers, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 of them. All right, some very quick color coordinating. We have the NYC Lip Stains Smooch Proof 16 Hour in the shade Never Ending Nude. The tip is really old, but still got juice in there. Next is Revlon's Just Bitten Lip Stain Plus Balm in the shade Forbidden. Pixie's Lip Blush in the shade Purity. Revlon Just Bitten in the shade Desire. NYC 16 Hour in the shade Forever Fuchsia. CoverGirl Outlast Lip Stain in the shade 425. Revlon Just Bitten in Passion. Mark, this is an Avon line, Kiss Ink in the shade Berry Bitten. NYC Smooch Proof Lip Stain in Very Long Time. Another NYC in the shade Orange on the Go. NYC in the shade, ooh, I don't know what this shade is. It has, oh, Endless Spice. Oh, that should have gone in the nudes category probably. And then 2 red ones, Stila Lip Rouge Liquid Lip Stain. What shade is this? Don't know if this has a shade name or not. It's in this red shade. And a Pixie Lip Blush in the shade Love. All right, I'm not getting rid of any of these, but that's because I did this mostly to see if any of them were really dried out, but they're all still usable. They all still have color in them. I love this kind of lip product. The staining, it doesn't, go bad or old. It's still got vibrancy in there. I oftentimes use them underneath a different lip color so that when that lipstick or lip gloss wears off, I still have color underneath. So I'm gonna use these until I literally cannot get color out of them anymore. And as you can see, they truly are very staining. Some more than others, but all of them leave a nice wash of color or a really bold wash of color behind. All right, so all of my lip pencils and my lip markers now fit very nicely and easily in this kind of pencil holder. And that's that for this declutter video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and that this is keeping your spirits just a little bit lifted. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this series, and I'll see you in the next video.